Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look, which is the look from Ariana Grande's new music video, 34 plus 35. So she had a lot of cool looks in that video. I really like them all, and I know I just did an Ariana Grande video, but she keeps coming out with music videos, so what can I do? So I created this look right here, the white eyeliner, the beautiful skin that she always has, and I did record this hair, and that will be my next video up here on this channel on Sunday. I will have a tutorial on how I got this hair. But yeah, if you want to learn how I got this makeup, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting out with my foundation already on. I'm going to clip away this hair. So I just have foundation on. I powdered a good amount. She has very matte skin kind of all the time. So I'm just going to leave it as is. And I'm going to go ahead and contour to make my face look a little bit more like hers. She's very bronzed. So I'm grabbing my NARS Laguna bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and get these cheekbones. I'm sorry, my dog just walked in. I'm going to bring that up and out into my hairline. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my nose a little bit. She doesn't really do anything too crazy. I'm just grabbing a little tiny brush. Bring it alongside my nose. Just like that. And I'm going to contour my lips with that same little brush. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to go ahead and like blend everything in. And that is my face contoured completely. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So now I'm in a little bit closer to you guys. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. She has very different eyebrows than I do. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and take my Item Beauty Brow Chow. And I'm going to go ahead and brush through these eyebrows. I'm going to make sure not to fill in the inner parts of my eyebrows too much. Just because her eyebrows are a lot farther away than mine. So I'm going to go ahead and line underneath my eyebrows, but only like the middle part and a little bit into the front. So I'm stopping like right here and bringing little lines up from there, and that's it for the front of my brow. So now I'm going to brush up my eyebrows, that outer part, as much as I possibly can, because her eyebrows are very short and straight. So I'm trying to straighten out that arch a little bit. I'm going to kind of drag that out and try to make the shape of my eyebrow a little bit different. And that is the eyebrow done. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side, so I'm not going to fill in that inner part. Just drag it up. So now that is done, I'm going to go ahead and grab a little flat shader brush. And I'm going to go into my Dose of Colors Dazzy X Katy palette, and I'm going to take the shade Necessary, which is this one right here. And I'm going to contour my eyes a little bit, so I'm just going to go underneath this eye area, and I'm going to be kind of bringing it down a little lower, right there in that crease, to give that like doe. She has like very like round eyes. To give that little effect right there. And then I'm going to bring that shade up from that outer corner and a little line, just for now. Oops. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab that brush with whatever's left over and just drag in that color from that line that we created. And bring it into the crease. just like that. So this is actually a really good way if you ever want to just like contour your eye, the bronzer, and just like do a little something simple. I really like that technique to bring it up from that lower lash line out and then bring it in. It looks really, really pretty and it accentuates your eye shape. So I'm just kind of running this all over, just blending it in. And that's basically almost it for the eyeshadow. She really doesn't have that much eyeshadow on. It's mostly the eyeliners that we're working with today. So I'm gonna actually just leave it at that. Now we're gonna work with the eyeliner. Alright, so I have my Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Space Panda. It's just a white hydro liner. My little Suva Beauty liner brush and a little bit of water. And I'm gonna start creating that eyeliner shape that she has. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start the line. I'm a little nervous, but it's okay. So I'm just starting by lining my upper lash line. And I'm going to do it pretty thick. I normally would never do an eyeliner that thick. But hers goes all the way like across her eye. So that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to grab the eyeliner from the outer corner. I'm going to start bringing it in. Just like that. That was very scary to do, but if you do it quick, it's not as scary. Keep packing up that eyeliner, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other eye, and I will be back. So what I'm going to do to make myself not look as insane, I'm going to get my black eyeliner. That's not where it's supposed to be. And we're going to create the black eyeliner that is underneath that white eyeliner. And my house is very loud right now, so just excuse all the noises that you hear if you're hearing noises. So, I'll be back. Okay. So I have my black eyeliner. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's not mascara. I always say mascara in every single video. It is eyeliner. It is not mascara. Let me... See? It's like very loud in my house for no reason at all. Like they don't need to be that loud. Alright. So now I'm going to go along my lash line and create a normal, everyday eyeliner. So the eyeliner is all done, so the look is basically almost complete. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my Item Beauty Lash Snack Mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and add that on my lashes. My parents, instead of like going close to each other and having a conversation, they like to have conversations very far apart from each other for some reason. It's great. Patience. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cry. I want to cry. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara on my lower eyelashes. Just a little bit of very light layer, just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply outer corner lashes. So these are just a pair of lashes that I cut in half. And I'm going to go ahead and apply them to the outer corners and kind of like give it that winged look. Alright, so my eyelashes are looking a little bit weird. But we're going to ignore them for a second and just move on to our cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this Wet n Wild blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. And I'm just going to add this along that bronzer. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. So I have like 4 lip liners. And I'm going to go first in with my favorite, my MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. And I'm going to create the line for my lips. And I'm going to make my lips a lot more rounded than they actually are. To give that Ariana Grande lip. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Whipped Caviar, and I'm going to kind of go all over my whole lips. Alright, and then I'm going to take the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm, and I'm going to just put that on the outer corners and bring it in. Okay, so something I noticed in this video was that her lip gloss was only on the bottom lip, really, and it wasn't really that intense. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Item Beauty lip gloss, and I'm just going to put it on my lower lip. And I'm going to slightly go like that, and then just dab it out. I feel like her lips were more like, had a little sheen rather than a full-on gloss. I'm going to go ahead and fix this eyelash, and then I'll be back, and I think that that is it. So I guess I forgot to film an outro, so this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.